Should you or should you not have a link in your bio? Now, if you are on social media, if you're building a business on social media or are an influencer or content creator, you have probably asked yourself this question before. And my short answer to this question is yes, of course, you should have a link in your bio. My long answer is maybe. And here's why. But before we jump into the video and what you should really do and why you should have a link in your bio, please subscribe to the channel. I'm coming out with new content every single day to help you build your business. Also, smash that like button. It really helps me in the algorithm get my content out to more people. Now, the reason why you should have a link in your bio is very simple, especially if you have your own website and you're doing this for your business. And it is to have a sales funnel. If you're creating all of this traffic on social media and there is no path, there's no funnel to convert these views into leads and sales, then why are you doing it? And that link in your bio is a crucial step for you to convert those leads into sales. Now, you should not be using a Linktree, and that is simply because of the fact that when you use a Linktree, as nice as it is and as easy as it is to set up, when you click on that link, because it is a third-party app, it will ask, are you sure you want to navigate away? And on average, you only have 3 clicks to get a viewer into a sale. And you're wasting 1 click by having a Linktree. What you should do instead. Plus, every time someone clicks on your profile and sees that, it's not counting as a view towards your website, which is why on your website, you should create a landing page for your social media platform. That way, when they click on it, it doesn't ask to navigate away, and it counts as a view on your website, helping you rank more on Google. It only makes sense, especially if you have a website, because it only benefits you to do this. Plus, again, it is 1 less click to convert into a sale. So, yes, you should have a link in your website. Now, if you're doing affiliate marketing, I still recommend building a website that have links to your affiliate links in that landing page. If you're just putting an affiliate link, or you are doing brand deals because you are an influencer or a content creator, and you're just sending people directly to that brand's page, you're missing out on the opportunity to have a website, build website traffic, have them interested in your offers or services, and just have their link available on that landing page you have for your social media. That is why I am not a huge fan of just putting that brand's link or affiliate link in the bio of your social media platform, because again, it really doesn't benefit you. If you do drive that traffic to your website and you, for example, let's say you're an affiliate marketer or you do brand deals, you have an opportunity to then have a pop-up on your website, some sort of freebie, some sort of opt-in for you to build an email list. And that is extremely crucial for any business, because you own your email list. You own your phone number list. You own those contacts. It's not like a social media platform like TikTok or Instagram where they can change the algorithm just like that and take away all of your views organically and force you to do paid ads, or even change from paid ads from being affordable to only be for larger brands that have very large budgets and are just doing brand awareness. Because ultimately, this is where all these social media platforms go. It is easier just to work with big brands, and it causes these platforms less problems than to run ads with smaller companies or affiliate marketers or content creators like yourself. So building an email list is absolutely crucial. I'm making another video, so be sure to stay tuned for that video about how to build an email list out effectively. Or you can go check out my TikTok as well. It's at Soren Laney. And I already have videos up on building out an email list on there as well, even though they're shorter videos. So that wraps up the reasons why I really believe you need a link in your bio on every social media platform, and why you should build a page out on your website for those links. It pays you back tenfold, and making sure that it is a smooth process in your sales funnel to take your views and turn them into clients and customers and sales is extremely important and will change how your business operates. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button for me. It really helps me reach new people in the algorithm here on YouTube. And be sure to hit that little bell as well to be alerted for all of my videos coming out on how to create more content and create more traffic organically and build your business. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.